This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, two artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Kayla Smoot and Crystal Jennings for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi, ladies.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Brittany Evans was the winner of last week's contest. She won 61% of the vote and had an average score of 4.15. Congratulations, Brittany. I also want to send, sorry, you can clap. I'm just going through, I'm sorry. I also want to send a special thank you to Gavin, who did a great job as well. We look forward to seeing both MUAs during the third round next month. Today's contest is the last matchup of the freestyle round. During this round, the makeup artist will have the challenge of completing the same look as their opponent. The challenge for today's battle is Hot Flame, using the colors red, orange, and yellow. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Kayla. Hey, Kayla.
Hi.
What have you been up to since your last time on the show?
A whole lot. Running around, getting clients done. Like I said, trying to get some big girl job in place, and just finalizing everything with content creation, my YouTube, my businesses. Just busy.
Okay. Well, welcome back to the show. All right, Crystal, what have you been up to?
Traveling everywhere for work. Houston, Memphis, Miami. I went to Jamaica. Yeah, I've been acting like I got a whole lot of money and I don't. So that's it after this. I'm gonna be chilling for the rest of the year.
Well, sounds like you had a little bit of fun.
I did.
Well, good. Well, welcome back to you as well.
Thank you.
All right, let's start the show with Crystal's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the hot flame look that she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Kayla will have a chance to critique it.
Good morning, everybody. It's About Face Makeup here for Makeup Battle Round 2 here at Picture Studios. Thank you so much for voting for me for round 1. This is round 2 of the makeup battle, so let's see what look I come up with next. Red, yellow, and orange. I'm going to do a cut crease look so you can see how those colors pop, and hopefully it'll turn out great. Okay, so what I have done so far is I made a yellow transition with a little orange in the crease and red as a blend, and a little bit of white gold so the red can pop out. I feel like I need to incorporate a little bit more orange and red, so I'm going to add that to the under eye. So far this is the look. I'm just about done with it. I am loving these lashes by my girl Erica Armani. She's with Lashing Out, so look her up. But wow, I never thought I would do big lashes. This is my first time, but I really like it. Nice. So this is my final look. I am getting some fire vibes, you know, with the theme being hot like fire. I'm pretty happy with it. My first time wearing big lashes, and I think it makes it pop even more. Just want to say thank you so much to everybody who is voting for me. Please vote for me for round 2, and we'll see what happens. Thank you so much. Bye.
All right, Crystal, what was your inspiration for this look?
Just really just the colors. You guys said, you know, what colors you wanted. And so I'm so much into glamour and I love cut creases. So I wanted to do something glamorous. I'm usually doing like natural stuff. I don't really get clients who want color like that. So those palettes stay almost fresh and brand new. So I was excited to bring out those palettes and I wanted to try a cut crease and I did. I offset it with some gold in the center. And it came out pretty good. I was pleased with it.
I think you did a great job as well. You stepped outside of the box. Love the gold cut crease. Love the lashes. That was like my favorite part. And the red. I love that. I love it. And the under eye, you did a great job. You did a really great job.
Oh, thank you.
All right, Kayla, are you ready to critique it?
Yes. Oh my gosh, Crystal, I loved your look.
Thank you.
It was so pretty. You're welcome. I loved everything about the way you incorporated the colors and the gold in the center, like you said, to really make that red pop and give it that fire flare, which it definitely came across. You got your point across.
Oh, thank
I
you.
love it. I love it. The only thing I will say, I just wish that with this one, you would have stepped outside the box. You seem like you have the skill set, and that's perfectly fine. But to go ahead and incorporate the creativity into it as well, especially now that you're using color, it would have made the look 10 times better. So I definitely love it. But, you know, next time, use some glitter. Use some rhinestones on the... Go
You're
crazy.
absolutely right, because I'm scared to do those things. So I agree with you. Yeah, that's a big fear of mine, but thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right. Now it's time for Kayla's journal. This is a behind the scenes view of the hot flame look that she created at the studio. When the video was finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Crystal will have a chance to critique it.
Guys, what's up? It's Kayla, aka K Swoon, back with another makeup look for you guys here on today's episode of Makeup Battle Show Season 1. I'm so excited to be here and I can't wait for you guys to see what look I have in store for you, so stay tuned. So for today's look, I will be giving you guys a little bit of red, as you can see from my nails, a little bit of orange, some yellow, and a lot of sparkle, and a whole lot of fire. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by laying down my brows. This look is gonna be very high drama, but like a little bit more on the archy side. So I wanna make sure I have a nice base. I've already moisturized my face. I actually did that before we got here. So now, like I said, I'm just going in and laying everything down as far as the hairs. So I can go ahead and start and have a smooth base to this look. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so we're about like 20 minutes into the look here. So I have my eyes done my eye done on this side as far as color goes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side and blending and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm laying down my base foundation for this side of my face since I've already done my eyes, and then I'll come back in after I've done this side and blended everything out, and then we'll go ahead and complete or tie together the look. All right, you guys, so we are about 30 minutes into the last little bit of the look. Or not the last little bit, but we're 30 minutes in. So this is what I have so far. Right now, I'm just contouring my face with a nice warm brown instead of a deep brown. Usually I would do that with a lighter color. but because I'm doing red and there's so much red going on right now, I want to actually take that red and kind of blend it in with my contour. So I wanted to start out with a reddish looking, or like a skin tone, flesh tone contour color, so that I can make sure I blend all of that red together and give you the effect that I'm going for. So you guys stay tuned for the next update. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I did change my top and I added earrings, but this is everything. Y'all, I'm in love with this look. I actually kind of ruined it. I had an idea and I just ran with the idea. So like I said, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put together this look, and don't forget to go and vote for me over at MakeupBattle.com and check out all of the other contestants for Makeup Battle as well. Bye.
All right, Kayla, what was your inspiration for this look?
So before you guys even said anything about the challenge, I was already on like a Mr. Heat Miser kind of kick. It's been really, really hot. If you live in North Carolina, you know, I don't know if we're having a heat wave or what, but it definitely was giving me, the challenge was giving me those same vibes. So I tried to incorporate how hot it is in North Carolina right now into my look, and also throw in the Heat Miser Christmas movie kind of feel. So I hope I was able to pull that off and show you guys that.
I think you did a great job. I love that you went out of the box and you did the flame, and I really love the green under eye. There was a nice little pop of color that had to your look.
Thank you.
I loved it. Good luck. You ladies both, you did a great job this round. All right, Crystal, are you ready to critique it?
Yes. Right, Kayla, I think you did amazing. All of this going up, the flame and everything, I felt the heat. I really did. I felt it. So I think you did good on blending the colors, you know, and actually getting really creative and artistic and getting that flame up there. The colors meshed together very well. I didn't see like any harsh lines. It kind of like, you know, it was the red, the orange, and then it faded into the yellow. So it was a nice transition. Like I said, I have to commend you because you stepped outside the box. You know, we discussed that, you know, you did this the first time and you nailed it. So I think you did really good. The only thing that I said I probably would have done differently is made the eyebrows a little darker. And I'm not really sure of what you were trying to achieve with the lip. The nude on the lip was absolutely perfect. It was almost the same color as your skin. So that's good, especially when you're doing editorial looks. So you did that really good. I just wasn't sure about what you were trying to do with the center, but everything else was perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. On Monday, we'll have a special guest for our recap episode, so be sure to follow our official hashtag #MakeupBattleShow for updates. Bye, ladies.
Bye-bye.